What if I told you the biggest trap keeping millions of Americans from becoming wealthy isn't inflation, it isn't taxes, it isn't the economy, and it isn't their paycheck. The truth is, work harder every single year, earn more money, receive promotions, yet somehow financial freedom always feels out of reach. They're trapped in a cycle few people ever escape. You'll discover why the middle class stays broke, and more importantly, the exact roadmap to break free before it's too late. Stay until the end. The final lesson could completely change the way you manage money for the rest of your life. Let's begin. Every morning, wake up, go to work, work hard, come home, pay bills, and repeat the same cycle, and again. Years pass. Income grows, but savings barely move. Feels farther away, not closer. The middle class isn't poor. They don't work. They're trapped. Their money never gets the chance to grow. Every dollar already has another job, car payment, credit cards. By the end of the month, there's almost nothing left. The paycheck to paycheck trap. The first trap is simple. One paycheck, one income, one source, your entire life. That works. Something changes. A layoff, an illness, a recession, one unexpected event can suddenly stop everything. Financially successful people, more than one income stream, doesn't come from one employer. It comes from multiple sources working together. A mistake. Almost everyone. Income increases, so spending increases too. A better phone, a bigger house, a newer car, a more expensive lifestyle. At first, it feels like success, but slowly, higher income, higher expenses. Financially free people celebrate raises. They increase their investments. Their lifestyle should build wealth, not bigger bills. Many people buy things that look like wealth. Luxury cars, designer watches, expensive gadgets. But appearances don't create financial freedom. Put money into your pocket. Take money. The middle class often buys more liabilities. The wealthy on assets. That's the difference. Most people never notice. So far, you've uncovered 3 traps that quietly keep millions living paycheck to paycheck. But the next traps are even more dangerous because most people don't even realize they're making them. Let's continue. The first trap is the lure of instant gratification, where the appeal of immediate rewards leads to overspending and debt. Many fall into this cycle unaware of how it tightens its grip, leaving them struggling to save. The second trap is social media influence, where the urge to impress others overshadows the importance of financial responsibility. This constant comparison can lead to unnecessary spending, pushing many deeper into financial turmoil. The third trap is impulse buying, often triggered by sales and promotions that entice consumers. In the heat of the moment, many fail to recognize how these spur-of-the-moment decisions can accumulate and derail their financial goals. The fourth trap is poor financial planning, where the lack of a clear budget leads to confusion and stress. Without defined goals, many find themselves adrift, unable to allocate their resources effectively. Another trap that silently destroys wealth. A budget. Most Americans, how much they earn, but very few. Their money goes. Small purchases, online shopping, food delivery, streaming subscriptions. They seem harmless. They quietly, thousands of dollars every year. Financially disciplined people don't wonder where their money went. They tell every dollar where to go. A budget isn't about restricting freedom. It's about financial control. Time can become your greatest financial partner or your biggest financial regret. Every year you delay investing, compound growth has less time to work. Most people think they need more money, but in reality, most people need more time. Successful investors understand one simple truth: the earlier you begin, the harder your money works for you. That's why ordinary investors who start early often retire wealthier than high-income earners who waited too long. Imagine waking up each morning without financial worries because you made the right choices early on. The beauty of investing early lies in the exponential growth that occurs over time. When you prioritize time in your financial strategy, you set yourself up for freedom and security later in life. It's not just about how much money you make, it's about how wisely you use the time you have to let your investments grow. Young adults today have an unprecedented opportunity to learn about investing while they are still in school. By grasping the principles of finance early, they can make informed decisions that will benefit them for decades to come. Visualize the power of consistent saving and smart investing. Every small decision adds up. The discipline of building wealth starts now, creating a path towards a financially secure future. Trap number 6, trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Social media has created a dangerous illusion. Many people, to look wealthy, they actually become wealthy. Luxury brands, expensive vacations, the newest gadgets, fancy cars. But here's what truly wealthy people, real wealth, is often, it lives. Investment accounts, retirement funds, and appreciating assets. On Instagram, the wealthy buy assets. Everyone else buys appearances. Trap number 7, waiting for someone else to save you. Many people, someone else, will secure their future, their employer, the government, Social Security, a future promotion. But financially successful people think differently. They understand no one will care about their future more than they do. That's why they take responsibility. They invest. They save. They learn. Financial freedom. The moment you stop waiting for someone else to build it. So far, you've uncovered 7 reasons why millions remain trapped in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. But the final 3 traps may be the most expensive of them all. They don't just slow your progress. They can financial freedom for an entire lifetime. Let's finish the roadmap. Trap number 8, never learning about money. A trap most people never notice. They stop about money. They spend how to earn, but almost no time how to keep and grow their money. Financially successful people never stop. Every book, every lesson, every mistake, their next financial decision. The more you understand money, the less money controls you. Trap number 9, living without long-term goals. Ask yourself, do you want to be 10 years from now? Most people don't know. They work, they spend, they repeat. A destination. Financially free people always have a target. Their first, their retirement fund, $1 million. A mission. Without goals, almost impossible. Trap number 10, believing it's too late. The final trap, maybe the most dangerous of all. It's too late, too old, too busy, too far behind. But here's the truth. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Financial freedom doesn't belong to people who started early. It belongs who finally, one decision made today can completely the next. How do you? The paycheck to paycheck trap. Below your means, an emergency fund every month. High interest debt, multiple income streams, and most importantly, financial freedom isn't built by one big paycheck. It's built by thousands of smart decisions over time. One day, you'll wake up and realize your working years are behind you. When that day comes, you won't ask how much you earned. You'll ask you kept, you invested, and how wisely you prepared for your future. The middle class doesn't stay trapped. They're lazy. They stay trapped. Nobody taught them a better system. You have that system. It's your turn to use it. If today's documentary, your eyes to the paycheck to paycheck trap, the like button to finance growth, and join of Americans who are learning how to build real financial freedom. Now tell me, which trap will you escape? Leave your answer in the comments. And don't miss our next documentary, the 10 smartest investments you can make in your 20s, 30s, and 40s before it's too late. Building wealth isn't only about avoiding mistakes. It's also about the right investments at the right stage of your life. He'll see you in the next Finance Growth documentary.